Hello, welcome to Recipes by Janki. Today I'm going to share a very yummy and tasty Mohanthal recipe that is liquid Mohanthal, and it is usually served during the wedding menu. And this is very easy, and you will get the perfect liquid Mohanthal with all the measurements. And I'm going to share a very good tips and tricks to get the perfect Mohanthal. So let's start the recipe. So here I'm using a same measuring bowl for all the ingredients. I have taken 2 bowls of uh, basin gram flour and 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of melted ghee. So now first we will, to make it a little bit coarse in texture, I will add 3 teaspoon of ghee and around the same amount of lukewarm milk. So this will help get the coarse texture. So add 3 teaspoon of ghee and 3 teaspoon of warm milk, and now just rub everything between your palm. So we just want to make sure everything is well coated with the ghee and milk mixture. Once you see everything is well coated, then just let it rest for at least 15 minutes. Just press it with your hands and just leave it for 15 minutes. Cover it and leave it for 15 minutes. Now here I'm using a mixture jar, but you can use the flour sieve to sift the flour and get the coarse texture. But here I'm using a mixture jar, and just use the pulse motion to get the coarse texture of this flour. So now I will just make sure there is no lumps. Just break it with your hands or a spoon. Now this looks good to me. Now we will start making the mohanthal. So just make sure you use the big kadai. You can use a non-stick or a thick bottom one to not get stick at the bottom. So now I have added 1 bowl of melted ghee, and into that I have added 2 bowls of gram flour, that is a besan. And now on a very low flame we will roast it until we see it's changed its color, and you will smell it. Just make sure you keep it on a low flame. So this you can see it's now start changing its color. So it took me around it's about 10 minutes. Just make sure you keep stirring, otherwise it will stick to the bottom. So here I have used a non-stick kadai, so it's not sticking at the bottom, but just make sure you keep mixing. Now it's look good to me, and it has changed its color and it smells good. So now at this point I will add a milk to this mixture to get the coarse texture and a good color. It changed its texture. So I will add little by little. I will add around 1/4 cup of milk, but I will add little by little. Now just keep mixing for at least a minute or so. Now I will add another 3 to 4 teaspoon of milk. Now you can see it has started thicken up. So this is the consistency that we want. So now I will turn off the flame and still keep mixing because the kadai is hot. So now we will keep it aside and we will prepare the sugar syrup. So into the pot I have added cup of 1 cup of sugar and same amount of water, 1 cup of water. And now we will just mix it everything. We don't want to make any thread sugar syrup. We just want to melt the sugar and just we want a sticky water, that's it. So now into this I will add around 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder and some saffron stems, around 10. Now give it a good mix. Once you see that syrup start boiling, you can turn up the stove. If you touch that sugar syrup and you feel it sticky, then that is good enough. Now you can see it's ready. Now we will bring that besan mixture that we have prepared back on the stove and put it on a very low flame. Now we will add the sugar syrup to the mixture, and now it won't take much time, it will take only 2 to 3 minutes. Give it a good mix. So to roast the flour, it took me around 15 minutes on a low flame. And then again I am adding the sugar syrup, and now I am adding chopped nuts. Here I have taken almonds and pistachio. You can add as of your choice. Now give it a good mix. So this is the good consistency that we would like to get for the liquid mohanthal. So we don't want to cook any further. You can see it has started releasing the ghee from the sides. At this point I will add half a teaspoon of ghee, so that will give us shiny texture and very good flavor. Now give it a good mix and turn off the stove. So you can see our mohanthal is ready, and this is perfect mohanthal with a good measurement, perfect measurement. So you can also try it home and let me know in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.